Hi, it's Sandra, and today I'm going to do a video on my January giveaway. Now, if you can believe this, the person that won in December did not collect their winnings. So for this month, which is the month of January, I'm going to give away the glass cuticle remover. Remember, this is all the stuff that they didn't get. The glass cuticle remover and the same plates, which is Maniology M519, which is a Halloween plate. I have a Christmas plate, which is M400, another Maniology plate. And I'm going to add one more plate. Now, this is another Maniology plate, and it is M506. And this is cool because it has the Disney characters on there. In fact, not all of the characters, but it has Mickey and what else is on here? Mostly Mickey and some... Is that Goofy? I'm not sure which one this is. I can't see it very well. But the little cow, and there's Minnie, and we've got a little bird here. And I just think this is adorable. If you're going to Disney World or Disneyland, you got to have this plate. So those are the three things that I'm going to give away for January. And so let me give you some rules. So to enter into this giveaway, you have to put "Enter Me" in the comments. I think I'm all the way up on this, okay? And you must be a subscriber. And what I do is when I pick the winner, I end up going through, picking the winner, and if you're not a subscriber, I just go on to the next person. So you must be a subscriber, and you must have your Enter Me in by 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, January 30th, which is a Friday. And then I will pick a winner sometime after that before the end of the weekend. So I usually do it on Saturday, but sometimes it goes till Sunday. I've been sick this last month, and when was it? November and part of December. And so I was sick for a while. But anyway, that's what you have to do. And then I will pick a winner, and the winner will email me at nailstampology@gmail.com with their address, and I will pop this in the mail. So there are the rules. There are the winnings. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.